Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you guys this really cute stuffed animal that I have here. So this is a Care Bear. This is the Always There Bear. My daughter absolutely loves this Care Bear. He is so cute. The fur on this is so soft. I can't even describe how snuggly this is. I love the coloring on it and the detail. It's got the cute little heart on the butt that says Care Bears. Cute little heart nose. He's got this little tuft of hair on top, which is so cute. If you see the coloring on his belly as well, he's got all the little hearts, which is so cute. And on the feet, you do have a cute heart symbol and a cute leaf symbol. So my daughter loves to bring this whenever she's going anywhere. She loves the fact that it's called the Always There Bear. So she likes to always have something on hand just to hug and to snuggle. This one here is just absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's just the right size. It's so huggable, and the fur on it is so incredibly soft. But that's just my point of view.